Welcome back to
Encounters
with Narsmish.
and OJ.
Yes! Nandito na naman kami.
Welcome again.
Yes. Oh, look at us, guys.
Merry
Diba?
Christmas na tayo.
I know, right? Happy December!
Happy December!
Yes. Diba?
Happy
Guys, nag-effort
December.
talaga kami.
Effort.
Yeah.
Hindi ba halata? Hindi ba?
Ayan. So we want to start this show with a Christmassy feeling.
Yes,
diba?
exactly.
Yes.
Hindi ba obvious?
I know, right? So first of all, we would like to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts to all of our friends, loved ones, our families all over the world.
Yes.
Yeah, I have friends in the US, in Asia, in Singapore, Hong Kong, Middle East, Abu Dhabi, Habibti. Our Habibtis, yes, our loved ones, and of course our families and friends in the Philippines.
Of course, yes.
Yeah. Ikaw, sino yung gusto mong pasalamatan?
Oh, I just want to thank to all my friends. Hi, Mom!
Oh, yung mga nagpapa-shout out.
So, ang dami, di ba?
Ang dami, di ba?
Daming
Shout
viewers
namin.
yan.
Yes.
So, 10,000 na.
10,000. Thank you, guys, on TikTok, Facebook, IGs,
Instagram.
YouTube. Thank you. It means so much to us kasi talagang energy namin to, time and effort, and we just wanted to share our life experiences with you.
Yeah, nung gumawa tayo last episode and then I posted it on my Instagram, I received a lot of comments, where I can find these, can you send me the link to watch it? So, guys, alam nyo na.
Yes.
Share nyo lang.
That's true. And sobrang iba yung feeling na may nakaka-appreciate sa gawa mo.
Yes.
And to be honest, this is actually a passion project. Wala kaming monetization, obviously. Although we wanted to share it, on our social media. And also, we would like you guys to engage with us, comment, and kung ano yung gusto nyong i-share. We would love to hear from you kasi ito naman yung purpose ng ating podcast, itong ating platform.
At saka yun nga, kasi di ba yung generation na to is a social media generation. So why not let's use the social media in a right way,
Right.
where we can share our experiences based on our napagdaanan.
Right.
And then yung knowledge, wisdom na nakuha natin through that journey.
Yes.
So, yung mga natutunan natin. So, why not share it to people through this platform, since ito naman yung use talaga ng platform is to mas maraming maabot yung mensahe na gusto nating ibigay sa mga tao.
Uy, ang lalim nun, mensahe.
Diba? Mensahe.
Yes, that's true, no, OJ. It actually dawned on me, parang yung self-reflection ko, why am I doing this?
Mhm.
Diba, hindi naman tayo nag-advertise, wala namang paid advertisement. But for me is that I have received so much blessings. Hindi lang physical, hindi lang material, guys. I have received so much support, love from the people, here in the UK and everywhere. And the growth that I have received, especially this time of my life, and the wisdom, I wanted to share it to them, to everyone who needs and who can actually resonate with my life experience. Kasi sabi mo nga, napagdaanan na natin to. So yung message natin sa kanila is, kung pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon, and napagdaanan namin, kaya nyo yan.
Exactly.
You can get through it, and you are just human like us, and valid yung nararamdaman nyo or valid yung na-experience nyo ngayon. So we are actually here. This platform is here to say to you guys that what you're feeling right now, if you're confused, if you're doubtful of yourselves, we can validate your feelings. Yep. And, you can learn insights from us.
Yes. Kasi nga, life is a journey,
That's true.
May mga season tayo. Katulad ng weather, may 4 seasons. Yung life, may seasons din yan. You will not always be in that season. Pagdadaanan mo lang yan. And then, once na mapagtagumpayan mo yung season na yan, you will look back and you will be grateful sa knowledge and wisdom na napulot mo during the time na pinagdadaanan mo yung season na yan. Because
That's true.
no one stays the same. And kapag ikaw nagstay ka as the same, doon ka matakot.
Oh, yes.
Because there's no growth in you. So, yung mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, it helps us to grow as a person.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Katulad ngayon, OJ, anong season mo na ba?
Season 2. Yun na nga. Gusto ko sana pag-usapan kasi it's Christmas season.
Right!
And
Yes. You have to be happy and
last
gay.
week ba yon yung nagkaroon ng Black Friday?
Oh, yes.
So, before Black Friday, sa America, they celebrate Thanksgiving Day. So, doon nagsimula kasi ang Black Friday, di ba? So,
Right.
since Thanksgiving Day yon, ano ba yung mga bagay na pinagpapasalamat mo?
Oh, wow. Thank you for your wonderful question. First of all, happy Thanksgiving, belated happy Thanksgiving to our friends in the US. And hopefully, maka-travel kami dyan ulit. Yes. And yes, your question about gratitude, I think there's a lot
Yes.
to be grateful for, to be honest. But if there is one thing that I would be grateful for, as I've said earlier, it's about growth.
Oh, that's really
Yes.
good.
Yeah. If I'm going to see myself in the mirror, although hindi na ako lumaki, hindi na ako tumangkad ulit, but
Not physical growth
not
to,
physical
ah.
growth,
Sige.
sana nga, no? Santa. Yun, kung meron nga lang, no, surgery, pampatangkad. But, yeah, I mean, kidding aside, the growth that I have experienced in the past few years, or let's say in the past year,
In the past 12 months.
in the past 12
Yes.
months, that's true.
2024. Let's just focus 2024.
Yes, true. In the past 12 months, yeah, I would say that it has taught me a lot of things. 2024 has taught me a lot of things when it comes to regulating my emotions, when it comes to handling difficult conversations, hindi lang personal, but also professional and
Nice.
relationship-wise, and how to stand firm with my voice. Kasi, growing up, hindi nga tayo nasanay na bino-voice out natin yung nararamdaman natin. And we just, sometimes shrug it off. Di ba? Oh, yun, parang nag-gain ko yung confidence ko to voice out my
Wow.
feelings without hurting people. Kasi iba yun, rude ka sa marunong ka lang magsalita na para sa sarili mo. And also, yun nga, to set healthy boundaries. So, meron kasi mga bagay na abuso kasi hindi ka nagse-set ng boundaries, right? It was actually difficult at first. Umiiyak talaga ako noon because I thought that it was unusual. Like, hindi ako nasanay doon eh.
Hindi
Pero-
yan yung comfort zone mo eh.
Exactly. Like, oh my God, I was like, thinking pa kung katapusan na ba to? Ano ba? Magagalit na ba yung mga tao sa akin? Pero hindi. Eventually, natuto silang respetuhin yung sinet kong boundaries. And then, at the end of the day, na-realize nila, ay, yun yung growth. Yun yung pinagpapasalamat ko kay, kay God and for this year na marunong, as in, I mature.
Wow.
I think I would
Yeah.
say.
I think that's that's a very good thing because it's priceless, no?
Oh,
Yung growth
yes.
is priceless.
Mhm.
And habang sinasabi mo yan, pumasok sa isip ko yung sinabi ng natin, nurse manager. So, we are in a comfort zone.
Shout
Ay,
out!
shout out nga pala. Hindi, kasi
APR
parang
ba to?
nag-stuck siya sa isip ko because that's true. We are in a comfort zone and we're, like, change is the only constant in this world. Kapag ka may bagay na hindi ka na inalis ka sa comfort zone mo, mapupunta ka sa uncomfortable zone,
Yes
which
po.
is parang it's how you will adapt on the situation. Kapag nasa uncomfortable zone ka na at nalampasan mo yon, that's where the time na mapupunta ka sa learning zone.
Yes.
So, sa learning zone, doon mo na matututunan lahat, parang adjustable naman pala, kaya naman pala. Kaya lang kasi takot tayong sumubok kasi nga nasa comfort zone na tayo. We don't want to get out of the comfort zone.
Yes.
So, kaya magiging uncomfortable ka, that's the time na it's either you go or you stay, you know?
Yes.
And then kapag nalampasan mo yun nga, mapupunta ka na sa learning zone, which is doon mo matututunan, okay, kaya naman pala natin itong gawin. So,
That's right.
parang, and then, after ng learning zone, doon, ando na yung growth zone. So, doon ka na mag-grow kasi
Yes.
natutunan mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin out of your comfort zone. Yan yung naisip ko while you were talking, and which is true, di ba?
Mm.
Sobrang, that, kapag nag-grow ka, it's priceless. Yun
Yeah.
yung naisip ko. And you should be grateful for that. So, dapat hindi lang tayo grateful sa mga material things na nare-receive natin.
That's
But
true.
we should be more grateful sa mga bagay na hindi kayang tapatan ng pera,
Pera.
hindi kayang tapatan ng material. Kasi it's for us, you know,
Yes.
and magagamit natin siya in the future.
Right.
Na kung paano natin i-handle yung situation. So, yun, that's very good. Thank you for sharing that, Michelle.
Of course. And to add on to that, growth, is actually something that no one will take away from you.
Yes.
So kahit saan ka pumunta, pag, emotionally stable ka na, you're emotionally regulated, you're wise enough to handle things, people will just, be amazed on how you have become.
Yeah.
Magugulat sila na, si OJ ba yun? Di ba?
Diba?
Yun. So, yun nga. However, guys, I invested on myself. Hindi lang
Yeah.
naman na nag-grow ako na paggising ko,
Ah.
ibang nilalang na ako. So, while growing, may process yun. I invested a lot on books. Nag-subscribe ako sa podcast, nag-subscribe ako sa mga audibles. So, merong proseso ng learning, sabi mo nga, yung mga uncomfortable situations. Kailangan pagdaanan yun. And dun nga, papasok yung learning. Hindi naman po pwede nga kasi na mabilis lang ang lahat ng bagay. We have to go through some stages of our lives para makuha natin yung learning na yun. So, invest. Ito yung masasabi ko, invest in yourself.
Exactly.
Kung gusto mong maging fit and healthy, go to the gym. Kung gusto mong maging emotionally regulated, makinig ka ng podcast or panoorin nyo kami.
Read books.
Read books, di ba? And you listen to the people around you who are wise enough.
Wise enough. Exactly.
Yeah, instead na makichismis ka. Sometimes kasi these people, they may look and sound blunt kasi straightforward sila magsalita. Pero if you're wise enough to also listen and absorb what they're talking about, may learning dun eh. Diba? Yun, katulad nga ng sinabi ng madam natin, diba? Totoo naman that it's uncomfortable to be changed. Yeah, but pag nag-come out na tayo doon and we become better out of it, yun yung reward.
Yes. Yeah, I agree. And I think one of as well na makakatulong for you to grow is self-reflection.
Yes.
You should reflect. Like, lagi akong nagre-reflect. If I do good things, I will reflect. If I do bad things, I will reflect. Like what I could have done better if I do bad things. And if I do good things, what I have done, why it's good.
Yeah.
Bakit siya naging good, you know? And then, that's where time that you will realize like, oh, this is a good thing, so I can continue doing this. And this is a bad thing, so I should change this. I should stop doing this, you know? Like, I should grow from it. So yun, self-reflection is important as well. Like, we should reflect in everything that we do.
That's true, no?
Yeah.
That's true. Nakapag-reflect ka na.
Oo.
Nakapag-reflection ka na
Wait
ba?
lang. Tinanong kita, tapos ako hindi mo tatanungin.
Try ka na.
What am I grateful for?
Yes. Ako naman tatanong.
Sige.
Mag-joke lang kasi ako. Nakapag-reflect ka na. Kasi nakapag-reflect na ako.
Nag-reflect na kasi naka-reflector tayo ngayon.
Thank you. Diba?
Diba?
Magandang reflection.
Nag-ano na tayo, ha?
Nag-i-improve na kami, guys.
Last time, one of the comment daw kasi is nadidiliman sa video. O ngayon, enough na ba tong liwanag? Parang na ba kaming kukunin?
Yeah. So see, whatever feedback that we get from you guys, i-improve namin.
And
try namin i-improve.
And yun nga, gusto ko lang i-share na yung feedback, positive man yan or negative, we acknowledge that kasi nga everyone has their own opinion, you know. But we here sa podcast na ginagawa namin, we only share what we have experienced and what we have overcome.
Right.
Kasi mahirap i-share yung something that you haven't overcome yet.
That's true.
So kaya nga siya kaya nga siya na i-share na nasasabi na namin ngayon, madali nang sabihin from us because na-overcome na namin yung ganong situation. So, yeah.
That's true. Yeah. So, guys, nakita niyo ba yung another budol? Kwento mo nga yung...
Wait lang, what am I grateful for? Hindi mo pa ako tinatanong eh. Ano
Okay,
ba yan?
OJ, what are you grateful for
Kasi
2024?
dahil hindi tayo nagsa-celebrate ng Thanksgiving, I wanted to
Oh,
take this
yes.
chance na
Okay.
what am I grateful for? So
Yeah.
I think for me, yung sagot ko kanina
Mhm.
is the people around me.
Wow.
I am very grateful for the people. I have a lot of things to be grateful for, to be honest, in the last 12 months.
Right.
But the number one thing that gusto kong pasalamatan is yung mga taong nakapaligid sa akin.
Sino ba
Why?
yan?
Sino ba?
So, what kind of people are they ba?
So, they are the type of people who I felt like, how do you say that one? Na no matter what, ups and down, they will support you. They are for me. I consider I consider these people as the real people na nakapaligid sa akin because they're not just there during my ups. They're there as well during my downs, and
Really?
they support me. And I'm grateful for my old friend,
Right.
new friend, and the relationship I had at the moment.
Right.
I have at the moment.
It's okay, edit ko yan.
Yun, edit mo na yan, no? Ikakat natin yan. So, grateful ako sa with the relationship I had with people at the moment kasi nga, yun nga, nag-self-reflect ako na what am I grateful for? Kasi sometimes, or most of the time, hindi natin nakikita yung mga bagay na meron na tayo. That's why we are neglecting those things. Pero yun, ang na-realize ko nung nag-self-reflect ako is I have to be grateful for the people around me because they are supporting me through ups and downs.
Right.
They are there hindi para lang i-support ako but also to correct me.
Right.
And I think those people are important people.
Right.
Kasi if they are not concerned about you, they will not correct you.
Yes. That's
So
true.
I am grateful for that. Like I am. It might be hurtful na kapag kinokorek ka ng mga taong akala mo is importante sa'yo, is kala mo kinukondem ka nila. No, they just wanted you to grow.
Right.
So it's part of growth as well. Like dun ko ipapasok yung sinabi mo kanina na yun nga, may mga bagay na kaya sila nandyan is for you to be able to grow as a person.
Right.
And kaya thankful ako sa kanila kasi I create conversations na dati uncomfortable. Ngayon, nagiging comfortable conversation na siya. Kasi nga, doon nga pumapasok yung learning because we all learned from our mistakes. We all learned from our past experiences.
Right.
So yun, I am grateful sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin who are supporting me through ups and downs, who are there to correct me if I am doing something that is not right. Yun, yung mga bagay na mahirap tanggapin.
Right.
Pero dahil may mga taong na nakapaligid sa iyo na they will not just push you.
Yeah.
But they will hahatakin ka rin nila pataas.
Right.
Kasi sobrang rare makahanap ng mga tao na magsusupport sa iyo.
That's true, no. It's also rare to find people you said who are authentic and who are supportive.
Yes.
'di ba?
That's true.
Kasi yung iba, parang hirap maka-receive kasi ng correction from the people na wala namang connection sa'yo,
Oo.
'di ba?
Oo. Akala
Parang
mo kasi perfect ka.
yeah, parang ako kasi ang point ko dun is, I will only listen to the people who matter to me.
Yes, 'di ba? I shared that to you last time. Whose
Hmm,
voice are you listening ba?
yes.
Kasi, are those boys na nakikita lang yung mali mo or are those boys na may motibo lang, you know?
Mhm,
Or
mhm.
yung boses na yung boses ba na yon ay matutulungan ka sa paglago mo,
That's true, yeah.
'di ba? Kaninong boses ba yung papakinggan mo kasi it's up to you at,
Kay Big Brother.
oo, sabi Big Brother. Hindi, sa
Mm,
ang ano ko dun is yung sinabi ko nga dun sa isang nakausap ko last time, you should ano, choose your battle sabi ko. Kasi
mhm.
hindi naman lahat ng giyera dapat nilalabanan mo.
Right, that's true.
So,
Kaya nga may
yun,
magagaling, may mga winners sa war
mm,
because they think critically, 'di
hmm,
ba? Pinipili nila kung ano yung saan sila susugod at kailan sila susugod
exactly.
and kailan lang yung stay lang sila, stay put lang sila, still lang sila. Kasi nga daw, yung kung sino pa yung mas maingay,
Mm.
sila pa yung walang laman.
'Di ba, yung latang
Oh,
maingay,
yes.
yun yung walang laman,
Yes,
'di ba?
pero kung sino yung quiet,
Hmm,
sila pa yung mabigat.
exactly. And
Kasi
then those, quiet, let's say quiet people,
mhm,
na akala mo wala lang,
mhm,
but if you start conversation with them, you
mhm.
will know how how much wisdom you
Yeah,
will get from those
from them,
people.
that's
Yeah.
true. Pero
So,
naman, tulad natin, charot,
mm.
we can be as funny, hindi naman tayo
Oh, yeah.
seryoso.
Mm.
Yeah, at the same time, they also learn from
Yeah,
us,
yeah,
'di
yeah,
ba?
yeah.
So, yun din, hindi naman lahat,
And yeah,
absolute.
you because you only gain knowledge
Mhm,
or you only gain wisdom through your experience,
mhm,
and how you apply it in your life. Hindi
mhm.
naman porket na experience mo is nakagain ka na agad ng wisdom.
No,
Kasi kung if nothing has been changed, parang paulit-ulit lang yung mali mo,
yeah.
it means you're not learning from it,
That's true. We
you
go
know?
through ups and downs,
Yeah,
right? But what matters is what have you become after
mm,
that or
exactly.
who you have become after that. Kasi merong mga tao na napagdaanan nila yon pero hindi
They
sila
remain the
nagbago.
same.
Yeah, they
Exactly.
remain the same. So pagdadaanan lang nila ulit yon ng ganong level.
Mm.
'Di ba?
I have experienced that actually.
Really.
Yeah, like, bakit gano'n paulit-ulit na lang na dati ganito? Eh,
Mhm.
kasi nga, you're not learning from it. But by
Mhm.
the time that you will have a mind shift,
Yes.
that's the time that you will learn from it, you will grow.
Yeah.
Yun nga, mapupunta ka na sa learning, in a way, stage. At
Mhm.
kapag napunta ka na do'n, that's the time na maggo-grow ka na.
Mhm.
Kasi and the grow doesn't stop there. Kasi
Mhm.
yung kapag nag-grow ka na sa gano'ng situation, it's gonna be your comfort zone na. So, but
Mhm.
in a different level.
Right.
So, it's just like, that's how we grow eh.
Yeah.
Like, step one, okay, napagdaanan ko na 'to. Step two, so akala mo okay na, parang, "Oh, bakit meron na namang uncomfortable
Mm.
stage?"
Yes.
Because that's your comfort zone already. Pero
Hmm.
pagdating do'n, punta ka na ng step three.
Yeah,
Naggaan na. That's
eh,
the ladder of success.
success. Like, every time that you grow, hindi na natatapos dun.
Mm, it
So,
doesn't end
another
there.
stage, parang ano
Mm.
lang,
Sa mga
games,
games,
'di
yeah,
ba?
yeah,
You're done. You completed this
oo.
stage. Now you're
Next level. 'Di
perfect,
ba?
gano'n. So, next level lang. So,
Mm.
dapat yung 2025 niyo, guys, yung
Mm.
2025 natin will be next
Yeah, and
level.
will be better,
Yeah.
kasi we should have learned already
Mhm.
sa mga past mistakes natin in the last 12 months.
Yep.
So, ano na yung gagawin natin for the 2025?
Mhm.
And it's very important na yung na magkaroon tayo ng goal setting, you know?
Mhm.
But we will talk about that later on.
Yes.
Pero yun lang yung pinaka-gist, like, i this is the year, the year where, or the season where we reflect in the past 12 months kung ano na ba yung na-achieve natin sa buhay and ano pa yung mga gusto nating ma-achieve and where did we fail,
Mhm.
and how we will make it right.
That's true.
So this is that season, like always,
Mhm.
na magkaroon na importante na magkaroon tayo ng reflection for us to be able to use those mistakes, use those learnings for us to be able to be ready for the next season of our life. And um, gusto ko lang ipasok yung Black Friday.
Oh, di ba yung segue
Oo,
namin?
yun yung isa-segue ko kasi
Ang
'di ba?
galing,
So
okey.
dahil
Oh, ano yung Black
nakapag-reflect ka
Friday?
na, so ano na ba yung hindi ako talaga mahilig sa Black Friday, pero
Okey.
this year I said
Oo.
like, "Okay, why not? I'll have time."
Okey.
And then
So,
may
tapos ka na
naman ako,
mag-reflect?
oo,
Kasi
then
tapos ka na
tapos na ako mag-reflect, nag-check naman ako ng mga Black Friday sale.
So, ano naman yung
For
Black
sure
Friday?
maraming nagpabudol ng
Ay,
Black
oo.
Friday,
Oo,
Oo.
yun na nga yung budol ko, di
Oo.
ba? Yung ninja ko. Nakwento ko na ba yun? Hindi pa.
Nakwento mo yun, pero hindi tayo naka-record.
Okay, going to the Black Friday budol. So, meron kasing isang appliance kami na malfunctioning na.
Air
So,
fryer, sabihin mo na kasi.
sige, air fryer. So, eto na nga nangyari sa air fryer namin. Hindi na siya gumagana. So, sabi namin, okay, Black Friday, tignan natin kung ano yung magagawa. So, tumawag kami, customer service, and then they said na, yung air fryer nyo hindi na under warranty. So, sabi namin, but we don't want to buy. Yeah. And sabi niya, okay, gonna put you on hold. Iyon. And then, nung bumalik siya, sabi niya, okay, we're going to offer you an air fryer, but it's 50% off. And then sabi namin, we don't want to pay even if it's 50% off. Kasi yung ROI, we feel like the ROI is not enough. Like 2 years pa lang namin ginagamit yon. And yet, nasira na siya. Okay? So, sabi niya naman, okay, I'll put you on hold. Lo and behold, pagbalik niya sa amin, sabi niya, okay, since it's Black Friday, we're going to give you a new air fryer for free.
Wow! Bongga! Sana all nakalibre, di ba?
Yes. So, di ba guys? So, ang lesson learned doon, Beshi, kapag may sira na kayong gamit, intayin nyo na mag-Black
Black
Friday.
Friday. Para makalibre kayo, di ba?
Yes, saka itawag nyo sa customer service. Pero, nakakatuwa yun ha. And I salute, I'm just so happy how customer service works here in the UK na hindi sila mahirap kausap. And hopefully sa atin din, especially sa Pinas, na kailangan mo pang mag-submit ng resibo, mag-submit ng
NBI clearance.
para palitan yung appliances. Diba? Sana mag-improve yun in 2025 and in the years to come. Huwag na natin pahihirapan yung ating kababayan. Diba? I just hope na maging madali talaga sa atin yung life in the near future.
So, bukod sa air fryer na libre,
yes,
ano pang mga ipinurchase mo?
Yes, guys. Ayan, nag-level up kami ni OJ. Thank you. Ano ba yun?
Dahil dyan, sabi, ang ina ng boses nyo, dapat may microphone kayo. Tada!
Di ba nag-adjust na naman kami? Non-paid yan. So, bumili din kami ng bago naming lavalier mic para sa inyo, guys. Ikaw naman, OJ. Ano ang budol mo?
So, ako, to be honest, hindi naman ako materialistic na...
Hindi ba?
Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa material things.
Kasi, hindi tayo naglo-Louis Vuitton.
Mas nag-i-invest ako sa experience kasi nga, feeling ko, doon ako nag-grow. So, yung travel, ganyan, or explore the town, something like that. But this Friday, since I have, meron akong mga inner child, na kailangang i-heal. So, kasi growing up, wala kaming, Christmas tree. Hindi ko na-experience na magkaroon ng Christmas tree. So, parang, alam mo yun, childhood dream na pangarap ko, pagka meron akong kakayahan, bibili na rin ako ng sarili kong
Grabe sa
Christmas
kakayahan.
tree. Pag meron ng kakayahan sa buhay, pag nakaangat na ng konti sa laylayan, bibili ako ng Christmas tree. Yun talaga, pangarap ko yun. Tapos, every Christmas...
Teka lang, bakit wala kayong Christmas tree?
Every Christmas, para sa akin, this is the very special season, like every of the year. Kasi, bakit wala kaming Christmas tree? Good question. Kasi wala kaming pambili. Di 'Di ba?
Oo.
Hindi ko naranasan, wala akong memorable Christmas sa growing up.
Talaga,
Yes. I
okey.
mean, siguro like, I mean, Christmas Eve, ganyan.
Mm.
Walang masyadong memorable sa akin na wala akong
Walang
masyadong
party,
matandaan.
gano'n?
Wala. Siguro merong some point, but we'll talk about that later.
Okey.
Pero ngayon, yun nga, ang nagpabudol sa'kin is, tada!
Taran!
Ito po ang nabudol ko ngayong Black
Yes, ang ganda
Friday.
guys, 'di ba?
Nag-spend talaga ako ng pera diyan just to heal my inner
Inner child.
child. Kasi sabi ko, pangarap ko yan magkaroon ng Christmas tree sa
Grabe
bahay.
'no? Tignan niyo yung
And
mga pangarap namin
look, 'di ba?
guys.
Ang simple lang ng pangarap ko, Christmas tree, and there you go. I'm
Ang
so
ganda.
happy. Habang ginagawa ko siya, nagiging emotional ako. Uy,
Oo,
pangarap ko lang
naiyak.
'to. Oh, ayan. Oh, tapos
Oo.
sobrang happy ko kasi ayan na siya. So it will stay until, Christmas, New
Mm,
Year.
So parang naging
And
symbol siya sa'yo besh na,
mm,
uy, yun nga pinangarap mo lang 'to
mm.
dati pero ayan
For me to be able to feel that Christmas spirit, I want to have my
mm.
Christmas tree.
Okey, that is so
'Di
nice.
ba? And
Imagine.
then, isa pa, since hindi
Mm.
nga ako nag-i-invest sa material things, pero nag-i-invest naman ako sa health.
Okey.
So, umorder, para ma-maintain yung ano natin, ayan,
Yeah.
ang skin.
Yes.
Siyempre nagbili ko ng vitamin C,
Yes.
um, collagen,
Yes.
and then, probiotics.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
So, dun dun ako nag-i-invest
In
ng money kasi nga
mhm,
it's part of my self-love that I will um
invest.
take care
Yeah,
of myself.
that's true.
Yun.
Yeah, dun kami aalay ni OJ. We are conscious about our physical health.
Mm.
Yeah. Gano'n din, meron din akong probiotics, bumili din ako ng collagen,
Mm.
and yeah, all those things na makakatulong sa katawan namin and sa youth namin. And kayo din guys, if you would like to spend Christmas, in a healthy way,
Yeah.
mag-probiotics sila.
Oo, 'di
'Di ba?
ba?
Mag-probiotics kayo.
I mean, I can attest to that. Like, sobrang ano siya sa gut, sobrang ganda niya sa gut. Kasi I have a gut problem eh. Like,
Mhm.
my gut is very sensitive.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gassy, and then
Hmm.
kapag may nakain akong something,
Yeah.
parang feeling ko nga lactose intolerant ako eh.
Mhm.
Kasi pag nagko-coffee ako with milk,
Yeah.
nagpupururot talaga ako.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay,
TMI na tayo.
Yes.
Sorry.
Oo. So,
Yun,
something happens.
yeah. So those are the things na importante sa akin. And
Hmm.
we are talking about my fulfilling my childhood dream, which is the Christmas tree, which symbolizes the Christmas
Mhm.
spirit for me.
Yeah.
So, but now,
Mhm.
actually, ang
Mhm.
dami nating sinabi, pero yung topic talaga natin is about Christmas season,
Yes,
right?
that's true. O, 'di ba? Introduction pa lang namin
Actually,
yun,
introduction
guys.
pa lang namin, 30
30
minutes na.
minutes. Gano'n kami kadaldal ni OJ,
Di
kaya
ba? Parang,
sobra kaming swak.
wag mo kaming papaupuin kasi we never stop talking about things, which is actually a good thing, to be honest.
Yeah,
Kasi
that's
nga,
true. Once we pop, we don't stop talaga,
mhm.
guys. Or a good combination. So yun, going back to our topic, what are the things, or let's say, ano yung pinakamagandang bagay that you remember about Christmas?
Yun nga, na-share ko kanina, I don't have much memory
Mhm.
during childhood ng
Hmm.
Christmas, but I'm always longing for a good Christmas celebration with my family,
Ngayon?
which never happened up to
Ah.
until now, to be
Hmm.
honest. Because like, I've been abroad like in the last 10 years,
Oh,
and I
wow.
never celebrated Christmas in the Philippines since I left the Philippines,
Hmm.
you
So kung
know.
magse-celebrate ka ng Christmas ngayon, for
Mm.
example, kung uuwi ka, anong klaseng Christmas feels, anong ambience ang isa-set up mo?
Well, kung uuwi ako ngayong Christmas, I think the number one thing is I will make the place more Christmassy. Like, I'll
Hmm.
have this Christmas tree,
Yes.
I'll set up a table,
Yeah.
and then siguro bibilang ko ng, or mag-aano kami, yung yung family ng Christmas
Oh,
jumpers,
yes.
like family photos. We don't have family
Yes.
photos as well. So those are the things that I wanted to happen. Hopefully,
Yeah.
kapag ka mas nakaangat-angat pa sa
Yeah.
kailangan.
Kapag kaya nang umuwi
Kapag
ng
kaya na umuwi ng
Pasko.
Pilipinas. ng
Especially ng
Pasko.
Pasko.
So those are one of my dreams. Like if I'm gonna celebrate the Christmas in the
In the
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah, but for now, since I don't have that memory yet, I'm creating my own memory
Yeah.
ng Christmas na
Yeah.
maaalala ko 10 years or 5 years, 10 years from now na,
Yeah.
I actually have this experience. Which last year,
Mhm.
I think that's one of my best Christmas
Mhm.
because I traveled to Europe,
Oh, wow.
like for 2 weeks, driving around with my partner.
Wow.
So nagpunta kami ng Belgium and France. Sa Belgium, lahat ng small towns pinuntahan namin, Brussels, Ghent, the famous
Antwerp.
places,
Mhm.
and then we did the Christmas
Market.
markets.
That's so
Nagpunta kami ng
nice.
sa Lille. We try to experience the most Christmassy thing
In
in
Europe.
Europe. Kasi nga, I don't have good memories growing up, so I have to create my
Your
own
own
Christmas memories
memories.
na dahil kaya ko na siya ngayon i-experience. Gets mo yun?
Yes, that's true.
So, that's one of the most memorable Christmas na experience ko
So far.
so far.
Mm.
Yeah, and then this year, of course, so we plan to celebrate dito sa bahay.
Yeah.
Mag-host ako ng Christmas dinner with friends.
Right.
So yun, I think that's what I'm looking forward to kasi
Mm.
it's a very good experience as well. You know?
Perfect. That's so nice.
What about you?
Iba pa rin kasi yung Paskong Pinoy, sabi nga nila,
Mhm.
na maingay, may namamasko po,
Oh,
may sasayaw.
caroling.
Yes! Merong kakatok, tapos
Oo.
meron silang...
Siguro yun yung memory na naaalala ko.
Talaga?
Nangangaroling.
Oo, nangangaroling ka ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Siyempre.
Pero grabe, before ako umalis ng Pinas, meron talaga ng mga nangangaroling na magpapasok pa sila sa amin para
Oo,
lang sa speaker
sa
nila.
speaker. Oh,
Oo,
wow.
ganon.
Hindi ko naman na-experience.
Performance level na sila ngayon. O, di ba? Mga TikTokers na yata. yung
Mga pangtawag ng tanghalan na yung caroling nila ngayon.
Winner. So, yun yung masaya. Especially if you have extra money to give to them, ang sayang magbigay.
Oo.
And knowing that my family is such a giver, and I thank God naman na, I grew up in a family where generosity is number one. You know, and nakita ko na sa amin naman, lagi may handa. So, lagi may handa.
Dapat pala nakita natin ang nakihanda.
Oo nga, di ba? Lagi may handa kasi malaking family ng both sides. And then, napasa yung tradition na every Christmas and New Year maghahanda, and then pupunta yung mga kamag-anak. Ganun. So, medyo magulo. Masaya.
So it's like
Reunion.
family reunion.
Yes.
Ngayon, since nasabi mo, naalala ko, hindi Christmas, pero New Year naman kami.
I see.
Kasi yung father ko, yung eldest brother niya, ang birthday is New Year.
Okay.
So, parang ginagrab yung opportunity na yon for us to gather as a family. Like, uuwi sa probinsya.
So, yun. So, yun iba, ginagawa ng family reunion yung Christmas and New Year season. So, masaya nga siya, pero in a way, magulo. Meron ka na bang mga experiences before, like, growing up, masaya naman na makihalubilo or makita muli or magkaroon ng connection with your, cousins, mga relatives na hindi mo naman madalas makita. So, yun yung masaya doon. However, syempre, meron din mga cringe.
Masaya siya, not until mag-aagawan na sila ng lupa.
Ting, 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 ting.
May trigger ba?
May trigger, oo nga. Happy sila, they're close, until sino na ba ang pipil mo sa papel. Hindi, totoo yun. No? O kaya, kunwari may mamamatay na sino na yung mag-aalaga. I
Oo.
mean, yung merong may sakit, tas sino yung mag-aalaga. Anyway, sensitive part yun.
Yeah, yeah. Let's just
So,
keep it there
yeah,
for
let's
now.
keep it there. So going back, ayun nga, I think that's what I miss. Since I'm so close with my nieces and nephews, ako yung best tita nila.
Mm.
I love, I love hosting um, Christmas parties.
Oh,
Ayan.
wow. Mm.
So, ayun, gagawa ako ng program, may games, ganyan. And then we will sing like videoke, ganyan. So, although, nakakapagod and at the same time, financially, medyo
Mm.
masa-strain
Mm.
ka because people will come to you.
Mm.
And, but at the end of the day, you're happy that they are happy.
Yeah, yeah.
However, meron din kasing thin line between being drained during holiday season and being happy and fine, 'di ba? Yung ibang tao kasi para maging masaya, they have to do something that's above their means. Yung
Mm.
iba nangungutang,
Oo.
'di ba, para siguro ma-display nila na, okey meron din
Mm.
kami. Hindi naman masamang mangutang, pero isipin niyo guys, mas maganda mag-start ng New Year
Mm.
nang hindi kayo lubog sa
Sa utang,
utang.
correct. So, since nabanggit mo ang utang, madaming trigger diyan, charot. So what do you think are the things
Yes.
that we need to avoid during,
Ayan.
family reunion or during Christmas, New Year family reunion? So,
Oo.
alam ko may listahan ka diyan.
Guys, nag-research kami,
Nag-research
'di ba?
kami. And according to the research,
Yes, according to the research,
Mm.
these are the things that we have to avoid or at least try to avoid para naman maging masaya yung
yung
reunion.
Christmas or yung reunion.
Yes.
Alright.
Number one, mag-start na ako.
Sige.
Okay. So, during Christmas holidays and Christmas reunions,
Mm.
i-avoid daw natin discussing about sensitive topics.
Aha.
Okay, so ano ba yung mga sensitive topics? Number one, politics and
Mhm.
religions,
Mhm.
family dramas,
Mhm.
di ba? And,
So what are
yun.
your views with politics and religion kapag ka nasa family reunion?
For me, it shouldn't be brought up. Kasi
Correct.
nga, di ba nga, relatives mo yan eh.
Mm.
Hindi naman kayo nasa sa isang
Mm.
household. And even nga na nasa isang household kayo,
Mm.
minsan magkaiba kayo ng POVs when it comes to religion, when it
Mm.
comes to politics as well,
oo.
di ba? So, para maging masaya yung reunion nyo, huwag nyo nang i-bring up yun, especially
Mm.
kung hindi, alam mo naman na hindi kayo as one.
Oh,
Di ba? Kung sa
yeah.
tingin mo naman na, siya, sa pula, tas
Mm.
ikaw sa
Sa
puti ka.
puti, di ba? Pero grabe kasi 'no, grabe ang politics din kasi talaga sa Pilipinas. Like during elections,
Oo.
sobrang gulo ng social media and ang daming taong nag-away or
Yes. Unfollow.
unfollowan sa social media just because shared their political views.
Mhm.
So I think it's very important during the reunion, family reunion, or
Mhm.
during Christmas events na just to avoid it para hindi na magkaroon ng baka lalo na pag nakainom na, 'di ba?
Oh,
May alcohol
yes.
influence na.
Oo.
Ito supporter to ni
Oo.
ganyan.
Mm.
So parang baka instead na maging masaya is doon pa mag-start yung away,
Mag-away.
yung misunderstanding, na
Yeah.
imbes na nag-e-enjoy yung pamilya
Yeah.
for the reunion is yun
Yeah,
pa yung
umuwi na
maging
ng maaga.
exactly.
Kasi
Yun pa
natapos
yung
na.
maging way para hindi makapag-celebrate na maayos just because
Maayos.
you talked about politics. So I think that we should really avoid that. I agree
Yes.
with that. And you mentioned family drama.
Yes.
Oo.
So, although hindi maiiwasan na bawat pamilya may pinagdadaanan,
Mm.
'di ba? Merong mga issues na kailangan harapin, pero siguro 'wag muna natin siyang dalhin during reunion
Reunion, oo.
or parties. Isang tabi muna natin sila, 'di
Mm.
ba? Para naman sa katahimikan at sa kasayahan.
Pero eto, mag-a-agree ka sa sasabihin
Okay.
ko. This is a very typical Filipino family reunion,
Okay.
which is comparing people.
Oh,
I think we should avoid comparing people.
yes.
Yeah,
Paano yun?
na-experience mo na ba yun?
Oo naman.
O sige, go. Magbigay ka ng
Although hindi
example.
naman oo, 'yan lalo na 'no, siyempre darating 'yan, sila
Hmm,
tito,
hmm,
sila tita,
mm,
yung mga cousins mo and all
mm.
that. And then they will ask you, "Uy, bakit wala ka pang boyfriend?"
Uh-huh.
Ganyan. Or, "Bakit wala ka pang asawa? Ba't wala ka pang anak?" Lahat na tinanong sa'yo, parang
Mm,
feeling mo obligated ka na nakaka-pressure na, "Ano pong pakialam
oo.
niyo?"
Hoy, 'di ba nurse ka? Bakit
Oh,
wala ka pa sa abroad? Kita mo yung ano, anak
oh.
ni Maring ano, nandun na sa abroad, nakabili na ng sariling sasakyan,
Ay, ayun yung oo, totoo
'di ba?
yun, oo.
Very Filipino.
Bakit wala ka oo nga 'no, ba't wala ka pa nito?
Oo,
Eh,
bakit
yung
wala ka
cousin
pang
mo
ganyan?
oo, si ganito, yung anak ni ganito
Mm.
meron na.
O yung ano, anak ng tita ano mo, nakabili na ng ano, condo dun sa Manila.
Mm.
Ikaw, ano ng ginagawa mo? Anong plano mo sa buhay?
Hmm,
'Di
oo nga.
ba? Agree
Medyo
ka ba diyan sa hindi nawawala 'yan sa isang Filipino family reunion?
oo, to compare. I think tama ka na 'wag natin i-ano, ipasok yun, yung
Mm,
comparison.
mm,
Kasi kung meron man naging successful doon sa family, sa
mm.
family natin, let's just be happy
Yeah,
na, "Uy, si ganito, oh, let's congratulate him."
mm.
Pero 'wag mo naman i-compare yung isa na hindi pa gano'n ka-successful. Malay mo
Yeah,
iba naman yung pathway nung taong yun.
yeah.
Meron siyang pina-prioritize sa life niya or baka
Mm,
may pinagdadaanan siya sa life niya.
exactly.
Maybe
So
we have to assess muna
yeah,
and kamustahin imbes na
mm.
i-compare.
Yeah, I think yun nga, wag na lang siguro i-compare yung career and success ng iba
Mhm,
doon sa tao na kinakausap mo. Like, "Oh, bakit di ka pa promoted?
mhm,
Yung pinsan mo na-promote na bago pa lang sa trabaho." 'Di ba? Kasi parang, hindi naman siya karera.
oo.
You know what I mean?
Wow, busy.
Yung oh, 'di ba?
Karera.
Yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon na ay it doesn't necessary na pagdadaanan din ng ibang tao. So dapat iwasan natin. This is the we should avoid comparing people. Like
Mhm,
especially even though they are on the same age bracket or the same profession kasi iba naman siya tapos iba ka din. So I think i-avoid natin 'yon. And number two as well na dun sa pagkukumpara is yung we should avoid, I think, giving physical comments,
oh, yes.
'di ba? Especially sa mga taong ano, ang tagal mong hindi nakita.
Oo, guys,
But
let's
I
be
think that's a very Filipino thing. Like ako, this is my personal experience.
mm,
Umuwi ako sa nung pag-uwi ko sa though hindi ako umuwi ng Christmas, this is not
oo.
a family reunion.
Saka guys, don't expect na lahat ay gustong magpaputi porket
Exactly.
naka-abroad na.
Parang yung parang sabi, "Naku sa ano ka" may comments pa ganito, "Sa probinsya ka lang yata galing, eh, nagsaka ka lang yata dun, eh, kasi hindi ka naman maputi, eh."
Talaga
So
'no?
what? Like, why are
Yeah,
you commenting on my skin?
talaga ba? Saka ang
Oo,
shallow naman yun, parang,
exactly.
"Hello, hindi mo ba nakikita yung mga post namin na nasa Europe kami?"
'Di ba? Excuse me?
Yes,
So yun, I think we should avoid that not just on a family reunion but in general, like,
yeah,
"Uy,
daily basis.
ang taba mo." Yung gano'n. Kasi we don't know that ano yung pinagdadaanan ng tao na yun kung
Yes,
bakit nagkaroon ng physical changes sa kanya.
yes.
Mamaya may sakit pala siya. You know what I
Mm,
mean? Like,
mm.
and, well, I'm guilty on that as well. Like, sometimes I do
Ang
do
taba mo
oo,
ngayon,
eto
buntis ka ay eto pa,
oo,
buntis
'di
ka
ba?
ba? Ouch, 'di ba?
Guilty din ako diyan kasi minsan, like, as a joke kasi nga nakalakihan natin
Mm,
so sometimes it really hard na alisin siya
okey.
as
Pero
uh,
inaayos mo naman
but
na, 'di ba?
yes, but it's not an excuse. That's what I'm
Yeah.
gonna say. It's not an
Mm,
excuse for us to mock people, you know. And yeah, I think isa 'yan sa mga dapat nating bawasan or i-avoid kapag magkakaroon tayo ng family reunion. Huwag nating
mhm,
ikumpara yung pinsan natin,
mhm,
yung kamag-anak natin sa
mhm.
sa kinakatayuan
Mhm.
natin, 'wag nating i i-comment
Yeah.
like yung physical changes na nakita natin.
Yeah.
Instead, tanungin natin how they are, what are they doing, and then
Yes.
kapag nag-open up sila, then that's the time like offer a
Yeah.
help, you know?
Dun mo malalaman, kaya pala siya malaki
Oh,
ngayon.
mhm,
'Di ba? It's nice to ask how they are first.
yes,
Ay katulad ko, ang sarap ng feeling na kinakamusta ka, eh.
mm,
"Kamusta ka ba?" Makikita mo yung sincerity, eh,
mm.
instead na
"Kamusta ka ba?" Tapos alam
'di
mo na
ba?
yung kasunod.
Oo, "Kamusta ka ba? Uy, meron ka na bang ganyan? Uy, may
Mm,
ganyan ka na." So, just be sincere in asking how, our relatives are, yung
mm,
pinsan natin, yung mga tito-titas natin, 'di ba? Tanungin natin how they are talaga. And
mm,
then mo malalaman na, "Ay, nagkasakit ako,
hmm,
kaya ako pumayat." O
'di ba?
kaya, na-diagnose ako ng ganito kaya ako lumaki." 'Di ba? And then makita natin na, ay, okey may pinagdadaanan pala yung tito natin
Yeah,
or may pinagdadaanan pala yung pinsan natin. So, gano'n po, gano'n yung dapat na way, yung approach natin sa
yeah.
kanila instead na, "Uy, tignan mo 'tong si Ateng 'no, ang
Ang
laki-laki."
laki
Parang
'no, hindi man lang magpapayat, gano'n.
yes, kasing laki na ng handa na lechon.
"Asan ang apple?"
Oo, o
Mga
yun
gano'n.
na, "Uy, nasaan yung mansanas?" Uy, narinig ko yun,
Ay
And
naku.
then
Ano pa yung sa tingin mo dapat na i-avoid kapagka nagkakaroon ng family reunion? Para naman maramdaman natin yung Christmas is spirit rather than mocking.
yeah, I think let's avoid asking kung ano yung wala,
Of
'di
course.
ba?
Yeah, I agree.
Lalo na sa mga babae, yun nga sabi ko kanina na nandun ka pero ang itatanong
Mm,
sa'yo, "Uy, wala ka bang boyfriend?" 'Di
mm,
ba? Ngayon naman nung nagkaroon ka ng boyfriend, "Uy, kailan kayo magpapakasal?"
mm,
Ngayon naman
mm,
nagpakasal kayo, ang susunod na question, "Kailan kayo magkakaanak?" Hindi na natapos, besh. So,
mm,
parang yun iba kasi, yung dating dun is nape-pressure yung mga tao, na, "Uy, wala akong boyfriend, wala akong isasagot."
mm.
Parang gano'n. So, and then nakaka-cringe din naman kasi na, do we really have to be pressured this
Yeah,
way?
yeah, yeah.
Na puwede naman na mag-enjoy ako without asking my relationship
Yeah,
status
yeah, just
or without asking kung bakit wala akong anak ngayon or
mm,
bakit hindi ako kasal or especially yung mga nawala ng asawa, 'di
mm.
ba? O bakit hindi na kayo ni ganito?
And why not focus on the good things, you
Yeah,
know, and like the small wins of your kamag-anak. Why don't
yes.
we make it as a habit, like
Hmm,
appreciating small wins of the kamag-anak
mhm.
instead of questioning them with their achievements.
Yeah,
Why not let's celebrate with them, 'di ba? I think it's a very good feeling that you're happy because they're happy. Walang inggit,
yeah.
walang comparison, something like that. And I think one of the things na kailangan pa din nating i-avoid is kapag a-attend tayo ng family reunion or family gathering is
Mhm.
to overspend and just to show up, you know?
Oh, ouch.
Kasi,
Ling, ling, ling.
yeah nga, I think madaming trigger diyan like, "Oh,
Oo,
naku, kailangan magaganda yung suot natin kasi
oo.
a-attend tayo ng reunion,
Hmm.
dapat hindi tayo magpapatalo
Oh,
dun sa
yes.
isang pamilya na yun." 'Di ba?
May gano'n 'no?
May gano'n, grabe parang or tayo yung host, so dapat
Mm,
marami tayong handa para hindi hindi nila tayo malalait,
oo.
gets mo yun? So,
Okey,
parang you will overspend just to impress people
okey.
na ipapangutang mo pa. For example,
Hmm,
like, sa food,
yeah,
like, o kailangan engrande, kailangan
okey.
bongga,
Oo,
pero yung pinungkuhan mo pala dun is
mm,
utang lang,
utang. Oo
ah,
nga,
'di ba?
yep. May
Tapos
gano'n kasi tayong toxic na trait 'no,
mhm,
na ang hilig natin magyabang
exactly, like just to
kahit
show
wala
off,
naman.
exactly. Parang
Yes,
para kanino ba yung pinagyayabangan mo? Kunyari, kamag-anak mo lang 'yan, so
mm,
dapat nga sila pa yung number one na makakaintindi sa situation mo,
mm.
'di ba?
That's true though. Yes, and para din naman sa, let's say nakakaangat sa laylayan.
Oo, Na
'di ba?
pamilya.
Na pamilya.
Hmm.
Wag niyo naman din maliitin, kasi baka yung iba hinahamak yung
Oo.
mga nakakababa sa
Alam mo,
laylayan.
this is through experience, kasi
Mm.
yun nga, uuwi sa probinsya,
Oo.
family reunion, family
Mm.
gathering.
Yeah.
Naalala ko lang yung kasi hindi naman kami mayaman nga, 'di ba?
Mm.
Tapos siyempre may mga kamag-anak kami na medyo nakakaangat sa
Mm.
buhay, nakakaangat sa laylayan.
Yeah.
So, kapag pupunta kami dun sa probinsya, ang nagiging tagaluto,
Mm.
tagahugas ng pinggan is yung nanay ko. Kasi
Oh,
nga hindi naman kami mayaman. Tapos
okey.
yung nanay ko, ang alam lang niya is she's a very good servant, like
Hmm.
she knows how to serve people, like so for them to be able to like her,
Yes.
she will try to please them by
Mhm.
cooking, and then like maghuhugas ng pinggan, ganito ganyan, which nung bata ako is hindi ko masyadong dinidibdib kasi syempre you're young and
Yeah.
and then growing up, na-realize ko na bakit gano'n, lagi na lang yung nanay ko yung parang nagiging kasi nga I realized na kasi hindi kayo masyadong may kakayahan sa buhay.
Mhm.
So parang yung iba na may kakayahan, kaya ayoko ng family reunion.
Hmm.
Kasi
May
dun,
negative
oo, may negative
experience.
experience ako. So parang kaya sabi sa'yo 'di ba, I don't have much memory
Okey.
ng childhood ko about family reunion. Kasi siguro
Hmm.
yung memory ko, dinelete niya na yung mga ganong hindi
Hmm.
magagandang ala-ala. But
Ala.
as we are talking about it
Yeah.
right now,
Mm.
nagkakaroon ng
Bumabalik.
oo, bumabalik sa memory ko, oo nga 'no, na-experience ko actually yon na
Hmm.
parang we're not, we're not that much appreciated kasi
Okey.
wala naman kami, parang gano'n. Wala
Oh.
kaming masyadong kakayahan
Oo.
sa buhay.
Oh. Uy, it gave
So
me a reflection, kasi oo nga 'no, hindi tayo pantay-pantay.
mm,
Kasi meron din akong mga pinsan na mas mababa yung estado nila sa buhay sa'min, 'yan. And then it gave me compassion na gamitin itong Christmas, itong family reunion to reach out to them.
mhm,
Kasi oo nga naman, family reunion and Christmas time is all about giving. And, yung spirit ng Christmas is all about sharing your blessings.
mhm,
So, for me, you made me realize na mag-reach out sa mga kamag-anak ko or, my
mm,
immediate family and relatives na hindi masyadong, sabihin na nating, financially, kasi
mhm,
yun naman yung ano natin, medyo struggle sa Pilipinas.
mhm.
Hindi sila naka-receive ng financial blessing the way they prayed for,
Yeah,
'di ba? However, eto naman yung fine line dun, 'wag naman abusuhin yung
maging abusive,
nagbibigay.
exactly. And kung ikaw yung bibigyan, be
Oo, be
grateful.
grateful naman.
Kasi yung iba, "Ay eto lang?"
Yes,
Kaya minsan ang hirap ding
magpadala.
magbigay, oo, ang hirap din magbigay kasi imbes na ma-appreciate nila kasi yun lang yung capacity mo, yun lang yung
Yeah.
kakayahan mo, is parang sometimes they will
Hmm.
question it, "Ay ito lang?"
Uy,
Parang
totoo.
ikaw you'll feel bad na,
Yeah,
"Ay hindi pa pala enough yun." Parang out of compassion kaya mo siya
hmm,
binigay, but then the people who receive it
yeah,
did not appreciate it. Ang
oo.
sakit din
Masakit,
nun, 'di
masakit.
ba?
Parang nakakadala.
Oo,
Katulad niyan, yung story ng Balikbayan Box.
oh, yeah. Okay, ikuwento mo 'yan kasi it reminded me yung kinuwento ko sa'yo about dun sa, trending sa Facebook
Oo.
yung hindi na maraming tubig ang cup
Okey. Oo
noodles.
nga. Yun sa
Sige.
Balikbayan Box, grabe pala yung meaning nung Balikbayan Box na yun para sa isang OFW.
Hmm,
Um, Nare-receive kasi mostly ng mga, family nila or kamag-anak nila ang Balikbayan Box during Christmas, 'di
mm,
ba parang gano'n.
mm.
So, naranasan ko 'yun magbalikbayan box, gumawa ng
Oo,
balikbayan box. So, September pa lang, pine-prepare ko na 'yun. And then yung pag-a-arrange ng balikbayan box hindi pala siya madali, 'di ba? And then iisipin mo, "Uy, para kanino kaya 'to?" So, parang mag-iisip ka ngayon ng mga tao doon sa Pilipinas kung sino yun
Makakatanggap.
makakatanggap, 'di ba? So, eto para kay ganito, para
Mm,
kay ganyan. So, ikaw iniisip mo sila, hindi lang isang tao, pero maraming tao yung iniisip mo na sana magustuhan, 'di ba? And
mm.
then, balikbayan box, yung time and effort mo para i-arrange yun, and then yung pagpapadala.
Yeah.
Actually, sabihin na natin, mura lang naman yung box, you know? Ay, hindi rin, 150 rin yun.
Hoy, mahal pa rin siya kapag
Mahal pa rin
tinotal
siya.
mo,
Oo,
ha?
mahal. Yung padala plus
Mm.
yung laman.
At saka yung dapat lagi mong isipin yung pagod, yung hirap,
Yes.
the sweat and the blood na
Mhm.
ibinigay ng taong
Totoo.
magpapadala.
Ilang OT hours
Mhm,
yung ginugol ng taong yon para may extra cash siya pambili ng
mhm,
mga balikbayan gifts
exactly.
na yon.
Sleepless nights
Yes,
or
ilang balik.
ilang meals yung
Hmm,
ini-skip niya
yeah,
just for for them to
yeah,
be able to save that money
that's true.
para makabili ng mga bagay na ilalagay dun sa balikbayan
Balikbayan box,
box,
that's true.
'di ba?
And I have seen colleagues who really, are saving, money kasi magpapadala nga sila
Mm,
ng balikbayan. And then nakita ko how many times they go to outlet stores.
mm.
Hindi lang isang beses pumupunta kami, guys,
Yeah.
para mamili. So magkano yun, like travel mo yun, transportation mo
Mm,
yun, 'di ba? And so ang sa'min lang, guys, i-appreciate niyo yung balikbayan box na
mm.
binibigay namin or pinapadala namin because it means a lot to us.
Yeah.
And yun yung special sa Pinoy, na we think about you. We
Mhm,
think about our family members. Hindi 'to ginagawa ng ibang lahi,
mm.
'di ba? And a little bit of gratitude and appreciation will mean a lot to
Yeah,
us.
ako yun lang yung yun yung sasabihin ko yung be grateful kapag naalala ka, kahit
Mm.
small things lang yan. Kasi that the thought na naalala ka nung taong nagbigay sa'yo, it's a big deal already,
Yes.
you know? And yun nga, hindi mo alam kung
Hmm.
ano yung, um,
Effort. Mhm.
behind that, scene na yung mga sakripisyo na ibinigay ng tao na yun just for that person to be able to give a
Mhm.
small thing
Yeah,
para sa'yo, you
that's
know?
true.
Ano man 'to, monetary worth, material thing, you know? Yung tao na nagbigay na yun is pinaghirapan niya yun, hindi niya yun pinulot,
That's
'di
true.
ba?
It
Ilang ilang oras yung ginugol niya para lang maitabi yung pera na yun for that person to be able to share, you
Yeah,
know, lalo kasi yun yung yun yung this is the season of giving, like
yeah,
we should ano, um, maparamdam natin that this is the spirit of Christmas.
yeah,
Why we are celebrating Christmas,
yeah.
'di ba? This time it's not just about receiving, you know? It's about giving.
Yes.
Giving your love, giving your
Mm.
support,
Yes,
giving the money to the
yes,
people that you love,
of
you
course.
know?
Yeah.
That's the spirit of Christmas.
Mhm.
Hindi 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 yung nung mga bata tayo, the spirit of Christmas for us is like what we will get,
Get.
you know? Ano yung matatanggap natin dahil Pasko?
Yeah.
Maisusuot ko na ba yung bago kong damit na pang
Mm.
Pasko?
Right.
Tapos pupunta ako sa mga ninong
Ninong
at
at ninang,
ninang ko
kasi
para
sila yung magbibigay
sila yung magbibigay ng pera sa
ng
akin.
pamasko.
Nung mga bata tayo, we're always excited about Christmas kasi nga, yun yung time na marami tayong matatanggap
Yeah,
from the
receive.
people.
Mm.
So, it's just receiving. Pero ngayon na habang lumalaki tayo, nagkakaedad tayo, nare-realize natin kung ano ba talaga ang totoong reason why we are celebrating Christmas, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yung totoong Christmas spirit, 'di ba? For us, this time, kung nung mga bata tayo, tayo yung nagre-receive tayo yung tumatanggap. Pero this time, it's about time for us to give back to the
Yes.
people na importante sa atin, to our family, yun nga, sa mga kamag-anak natin na hindi masyadong pinagpala.
Mhm.
Um, yun, kasi that's how you will show your gratitude as well, like with all the blessings that you receive, di
Mhm.
ba?
Mhm. That's true. The spirit, when you say the spirit, the meaning,
Mm,
what is the meaning of Christmas for you?
mm,
And nabasa ko nga 'to sa post ng nanay ko,
mm,
shoutout sa nanay ko.
mm.
Natuwa ako kasi nag-post siya na Christmas is not about material things.
Yes.
Christmas is all about forgiveness. It's all about a reconnection,
Mhm.
and it's all about rebuilding yourself.
Agreed.
'Di
Wow,
ba?
that's
Sabi ko, "Wow,
beautiful.
life."
Yeah.
Yung nanay ko
Hi,
ibang level.
tita. No,
Yeah, kaya
that's really true.
100% talaga ang comment ko sa
Oo,
nanay ko. Kasi totoo yun, guys.
exactly.
Superficial lang 'to, yung mga
Mm,
nare-receive natin ng mga,
mm. Material
wish list.
things, wish list, yeah.
Yeah. To be honest, hindi ang lesson learned sa'kin for the past Christmas, not to receive material things.
Mhm,
Instead, kung meron akong cause, for example, kailangan ko mag-aral, puwede mo bang suportahan mo na lang 'tong course ko?
mm,
Kung may magbibigay sa'kin
mm,
ha, parang gano'n. So, I'd rather ask you to invest on something that will grow me
mm.
kaysa maka-receive ako ng material things,
Wow. Mm,
gano'n. So, siguro bayaran mo na lang yung course na kukunin ko,
mm,
gano'n. O kaya pupuwede naman na, sige bigay mo na lang 'yan para mapag-ipunan ko so that makabalik ako sa Pilipinas, gano'n.
mm,
So, na-lessen na yung desire ko to
mm,
receive material things.
mhm.
Kasi for me, being a minimalist, trying hard minimalist, ayoko na ng kalat.
Exactly. That's true. Kaya
Ang
nga
hirap
sabi sa'yo,
magligpit after Christmas.
exactly. I'm not really into material, but I'm more on to experience. So I
Experience.
wanted to experience, like
Mhm.
what I did last year. I
Yeah.
wanted to feel the Christmas spirit. So I traveled. I
Yeah.
enjoyed the food.
Mm.
I enjoy different culture.
Mhm.
Different people.
Yeah.
Na just to how other people celebrated Christmas.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga sa Philippines. Ako I don't have much good memory ng
Mhm.
Christmas. So
Mhm.
I don't know how other family or
Mhm.
other part of the Philippines celebrating Christmas,
Christmas.
kasi depende nga sa capacity ng
Yeah.
pamilya.
Yeah.
But then now I have the opportunity, and that's what I am grateful for, because I
Mhm.
have the opportunity to experience different um, culture
Mhm.
of Christmas,
Mhm.
different spirit of Christmas sa Europa.
Yeah.
Then I realized
Mhm.
na people, actually most of the people, they value the time, quality
Mhm.
time with their family. And it's
Yes.
not about yung pagkain na nakahanda sa
Mm.
lamesa. It's
True.
not about yun nga, yung medyas na isasabit mo sa
Mm. Christmas. Hindi ko alam.
saan yun? Sa pintuan.
Okey.
'Di ba kasi merong nagsasabit ng
Oo
ano,
nga,
tas dun daw
eh.
ilalagay ni Santa
Uy, hindi ko
yung gift.
na-experience
Oh,
yun.
ako din naman, don't
Oo,
worry. So,
okey.
pero parang, yun, na-realize ko na most people actually valued quality time and
Yes.
experiences like Christmas markets. It's not a thing in the Philippines, isn't it?
Yeah.
So dito, Christmas market is a big thing because
Yeah.
that's the time that they will go to a place and just celebrate embrace the
Yeah.
Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
And
That's
I think I like that.
mhm.
I enjoy that. I enjoy
Rather
that experience.
yep.
And this season, Christmas season is very important for me kasi nga
Mhm.
I did not have a good childhood memory of
Yeah.
celebrating Christmas, and now I'm
Mhm.
creating a new one.
Mhm.
And that's the time that I realized na this season is a season of reflection as
Mhm.
well,
Yeah.
you
That's
know.
true.
So this season is a reflection of what you are grateful for.
Mhm.
It's a season of what you have done in the
Yeah.
past 12 months.
Mhm.
This is the season where you will appreciate the people around you.
Mhm.
So for me, that's the spirit of Christmas, the experience, the reflection of what happened
Mhm.
and how blessed I am
Mhm.
to be able to experience this and to be
Mhm.
able to share
Yeah.
the blessing na natanggap ko.
Yeah.
You know, whether it's monetary,
Yeah.
whether it's material,
Mhm.
but most of all is yung
Mhm.
experience
Okay.
na natanggap ko
Yeah.
in the past 12 months. Kasi
Mhm.
it helped me
Mhm.
as a person,
Mhm.
you know, to be able to be
Mhm.
appreciative, to
Yeah.
be able to be grateful in
Right.
small things.
Right.
Kasi nga, I never experienced that
Mhm.
growing up.
I
And
see.
now, na so, nagiging ano ko, katulad kanina, I told you, like, nung ina-arrange ko tong Christmas tree,
Right.
nagiging emotional ako kasi like, I don't have that capacity before, but look at me
Yes.
now. Like, parang small things,
Yes.
small wins,
Mhm.
but I am grateful.
Right.
It doesn't need to be big thing for me to
Yeah.
be able to be grateful.
That's
You know,
true.
we should celebrate, we should appreciate small
Mhm.
wins.
That's true.
So I think that's one thing na na-realize ko na importante.
Mhm.
Kasi we always have something to be
Yeah.
grateful for.
That's true. 100%.
Yeah.
And to add on to that, OJ, for me, the spirit of Christmas is all about family.
Hmm.
Na most of the time ay nane-neglect kasi nandyan sila,
Yeah.
'di ba? Pero once na yung mahal mo sa buhay ay wala, makikita mo na may blank,
Yeah.
may missing piece. And no matter how much we miss them,
Mhm.
pero since nandito tayo and malayo tayo sa kanila, you know, we wanted to go home
Mhm.
and celebrate Christmas with them.
Yeah.
And sa mga nag-try and gustong umuwi sa Pilipinas na mga mahal nila sa buhay, appreciate the time and effort na
Mhm.
ginawa nila makauwi lang.
Yeah.
Kasi number one, mahal po yung pamasahe.
That's true.
And yung effort nga, it's actually a brave move.
Yeah.
Hindi lahat nakakayanang umuwi
Yeah.
kasi
Yeah.
magastos. So, it's a brave move na yung iba nga walang pera, eh. Sabi nga, gulatin mo sila.
Umuwi
Umuwi
ka
ka
na
na
walang
walang
pera.
pera.
Sabi ko nga actually nakakausap ko yung isa kong kaibigan,
Mm.
he is based in the Philippines.
Mhm.
So he never worked abroad.
Yeah.
And sometimes sinasabi niya, "Oh, buti ka pa, you
Oo.
travel around, ta, ta,
Yes.
ta, 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 ta." I said like, to be honest, kung maiinggit ako, sabi ko, dapat ikaw yung kainggitan ko eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi
Mhm.
andiyan ka lang sa Pilipinas,
Mhm.
that anytime you can be with your family, you can
Right.
celebrate important occasions
Mhm.
with them.
Yeah.
Whilst me
Mhm.
leaving 18 hours flight
Yeah.
away
Yeah.
and not being with my family,
Yeah.
and like, like sometimes yung struggle mo na wala you have no one,
Yeah.
here abroad,
Yeah.
at maraming Filipino that they don't
Yes.
have family abroad, and
Yeah.
they don't understand yung struggle, especially if you're living in a country where it's cold,
Yes.
dark,
Yes.
gloomy. Oh my
Yeah.
God. Like now, what's the time? It's just
It's
like
only
nearly
6.
6 p.m.
Oh,
Pero
wow.
yung pakiramdam mo, it's like 10 p.m.,
Yes.
11 p.m.
That's
na.
true,
What
guys.
if like you're by yourself? What do you
Mm.
think that people is experiencing, di
Mm.
ba? So that's why merong seasonal affective disorder. Like you feel sad,
Yeah.
especially this season, because nga you're away from your family.
Yeah.
And sabi ko sa kanya yun, at least ikaw,
Mm.
andyan ka lang. You don't need to work abroad. You're
Right.
earning well. Kahit nandyan ka lang sa
Mm.
Pilipinas, you can support your family,
Mm.
not leaving the country.
Mhm.
Pero ako, kung may ganyan akong
Mhm.
opportunity, sabi
Yep.
ko, I'd rather stay there in the Philippines
Mm.
and be with my family as long
Yeah.
as
Ganyan yung sweldo
ganyan
mo.
yung sweldo ko na kaya kong suportahan
Totoo
yung
naman,
family ko.
guys.
'Di ba? Kasi I can still live the life like as we grow older,
Yeah.
our parents grow old
Old
as well.
too. That's
So
true.
we really have to appreciate that. We really have to be grateful na you have the capacity
Yeah,
na andiyan kahit na nandiyan ka lang sa Pilipinas
yeah,
and you can spend time with your loved ones.
yeah,
While us working abroad,
yeah.
like we are growing old and we are growing apart from our family.
Mhm.
So, yun yung sad reality nating mga
Yeah,
OFW. Yes,
yeah,
we can enjoy our life
yeah,
at some point
yeah,
because we work hard for
yeah,
it,
yeah.
we earned it, we
Mhm,
deserve it,
mhm.
enjoying our life. But come to think of it, like every year na tumatanda ka, is
Mhm.
tumatanda rin yung magulang mo and
Yeah.
you don't have the capacity, you don't have the luxury to spend
Mm.
time with them.
Yeah,
That
often.
yeah, often, and that hurts me a lot because
Mm.
like we don't know,
Yeah, when.
when um are we able to spend more time with them,
Yeah.
but yeah, I think that as well, like sa mga tao sa Pilipinas, is
Mhm.
for them to appreciate that they have the capacity to enjoy the time,
With
which is
their
very much more important than money.
That's
Yung
true.
time na nai-spend nila sa family nila.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone has different situations.
Yes.
Hindi lahat na pagpapala ng in terms of monetary.
Yeah.
Pero they are lucky because they have
Mhm.
their family with them.
Yeah.
Like, well, yeah, you cannot have it all, sabi nga nila.
Mhm. That's true.
Sometimes, like, you have to sacrifice things. And us,
Mm.
overseas Filipino workers, we're sacrificing our time with the family
Yeah.
for us to be able to support them
Yes.
financially.
Financially, that's
Yeah.
true. And to those families naman na nasa Pilipinas, do your best, to make your family as happy
Yeah.
as possible, as loving as possible. Kasi sabi mo nga, Christmas is all about family. However, paano yung pamilya mo naman
Mm.
hindi masaya,
Yeah.
'di ba? So, walang ibang magpo-protect sa family mo, walang ibang magmamahal sa family mo kundi kayo-kayo lang,
Yeah.
tayo-tayo lang. So, at the end of the day, family is the best.
Mm.
Family, we have to love our family and we have to look at
Mm.
one another.
At sa mga family naman na nasa Pilipinas, kung meron
Mhm,
kayong mga kamag-anak or
mhm,
breadwinner
mhm.
ng family na nasa ibang bansa, try
Yeah,
to appreciate them in a small thing.
yeah.
Hi
Kamustahin niyo naman
wag
kami.
wa wag lang kayong mga musta kapagka end of the month na, please.
Yes. Actually, ibang dating sa'min nun, anxiety.
Oo, 'di ba? Parang, "Oh my God, it's end of the month.
Oo.
I expect na makaka-receive
Oo,
ako ng
totoo.
message from my family asking,
Oo.
'Hi, how are you?' And
Kamusta?
yeah, you know what's
Yun.
next. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Parang let's appreciate those breadwinners na who's really working hard
Yeah.
for them to be able to provide for the
Mhm.
family and for them to be able to provide a small thing, na
Yeah.
maibigay sa pamilya nila na nasa Pilipinas. Let's appreciate them.
Yeah.
Let's message them.
Yeah.
Let's one time, sana dumating yung point na sila naman yung i-treat natin,
Oh,
'di
yes.
ba? Kasi may napanood
Tayo naman yung
akong
i-treat.
yun nga, yun nga, yung sila
Okey.
means yung OFW naman yung i-treat ng
I-treat.
mga nasa Pilipinas.
Ay, oh my
Gets mo yun? Parang
God.
ang sarap umuwi kasi no pressure na
Oo.
sila naman it's your time
Oo,
na
parang
ikaw
napanood
naman
ko
yung
yan.
yun nga, 'di ba? Sabi ko, "Uy, ang sarap
Oo.
naman." Naiyak ako that actually.
Oo.
Sabi ko, "Ang sarap naman ng gano'ng pakiramdam na they will provide for
For
you."
you. Pay for
Like,
you.
pay for you, like,
Oo.
just for a lifetime event. Kahit
One
na
day.
parang yung ang napanood ko is
Mm.
yung nanay nila is
Yeah.
OFW.
Okay.
They always keep asking the mom
Mommy.
about things, ta 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 ta,
Yeah.
and then actually they are actually saving the money for
Hmm.
them to be able to tell to their mom na huwag ka nang bumalik ng ibang
Oh,
bansa because we
wow.
save this money, we will start a business here, blah, blah.
Grabe
And
yun, ah.
it touched my heart, like, oh
Yes.
my God, sabi ko, grabe naman tong mga anak na to na they really know the value
Yeah.
nung hirap nung magulang nila and they did not splurge the money
Yeah.
na for
Kung saan
their
lang.
luho or
Yeah.
anything like that. Kasi 'di ba most of the family na
Naiiwan.
tumatanggap or
Mm.
naiiwan sa Pilipinas, mas imbes na ikaganda yung buhay, nasisira pa kasi they don't
Yes.
have the guidance of their parents.
Yes.
So parang hindi nila naa-appreciate
Mhm.
yung effort and yung sacrifices ng magulang
Mm,
nila
mm.
na nagtatrabaho abroad.
Yeah.
And then, the other way around, yung
Mhm.
mga anak na nagtatrabaho abroad
Oo.
na nagsu-support sa magulang,
Yeah,
and then yung mga magulang naman is hindi
na-appreciate.
na-appreciate yung effort ng anak na
Yes.
ginagawa nila, na
Mm.
hingi lang ng hingi. Kaya nga kita
Oo.
pinag-aral, eh, 'di ba?
Oh my
Kasi
God.
para ikaw yung magiging ano,
Retirement fund.
retirement plan ko. So, parang nag-invest ako sa'yo, so
Oo,
it's time for
pinag-aral ka
you to,
namin. Oh
yeah.
my
So,
God.
ang sakit nun, pero
Oo.
yun nga, sana dumating yung time na we're giving not because, we are required to give,
Yeah.
but we're giving out of, love
Love.
and respect
Mhm.
to our parents.
Yes.
So, alam ko na maraming, nababasa ko dun sa isang Filipino group
Yeah.
dito sa UK na
Right.
they are really struggling
Mm.
how they will end
Mm.
this, toxic traits na
Yes.
kapag nasa abroad ka na hindi ka nauubusan ng pera.
Oo.
And it's really sad na mabasa that there's a lot of like trends or comments or, message na nababasa mo na ang daming nagdudusa,
Yes, totoo
'di
yun.
ba?
Ang daming nagdudusa, ano ba 'yan, nagsa-suffer
Nagsa-suffer.
in silence
Mhm,
and hindi nila masabi sa family nila. So, nira-rant na lang nila
hmm,
or vini-vent na lang nila sa group 'no.
yeah.
Sabi ko nga,
Ang daming
i-add ko
anonymous,
kaya, sabi ko,
'di ba?
i-add ko kaya yung mga magulang nito,
'Di ba?
i-add ko kaya yung mga pamilya nito so that they will be able to hear and see kung ano yung struggle na
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 pinagdadaanan
experience
nila,
na
yeah.
pinagdadaanan ng mga OFWs. And ayun nga, masarap magbigay, gustong-gusto namin magbigay guys.
Yes.
Yung heart namin punong-puno and we're in gratitude and we want to give it back,
Yeah.
to our family. However, sabi nga may boundaries tayo. Huwag natin hayaan na ma-drain yung mga tao lalo na kung isang tao lang 'yan. 'Di ba? Kaya maganda nga sana na pantay-pantay sana. Sana lahat ng anak successful,
Yeah.
'di ba? Para
Who
iti-treat
doesn't
natin
want that, right?
yeah,
Sana hindi lang isa yung breadwinner, sana
yes,
lahat
breadwinners.
breadwinners, 'di ba?
Ay, saya nun.
Ang sarap siguro ng gano'n na,
Yeah, na yung kunwari isang, sa travel ako
hmm,
na,
oh,
o ikaw na naman sa next
yeah.
travel ni
I
daddy
mean,
saka ni
I know
mommy.
that there are families who
Yeah,
are like
well off.
blessed enough like to
Yeah,
have that kind of situation. Pero
yes,
yun nga, hindi kasi majority of
yes.
the people is hindi gano'n yung
Yeah,
sitwasyon.
may
Kaya yun yung
isa lang.
nakakalungkot.
Yun. Ang malungkot
And
may isa lang na nagsa-suffer.
yeah,
And then, lahat sila, yun nga, katulad nung last na conversation natin, naka-connect yung pipes na yun hanggang
mm,
sa drain na yung tao. And then, hindi na siya makawala dun sa cycle kasi
hmm,
nga, nabe-brainwash siya, na-emotionally, ano tawag, manipulate siya.
manipulate, yeah,
'Di ba? So hindi po maganda 'yon. And we just hope that in the next generation, lahat successful.
yeah,
Hindi man lahat same yung success, same level ng success,
nasaksa.
pero nagtutulungan tayo.
Mhm.
Hindi tayo naghihilahan pababa.
Sana yun nga, maging eye-opener 'to sa mga
Mhm.
family natin na nasa Pilipinas and sa mga co-OFW natin who's really working hard
Very
dito sa
hard.
abroad
Mhm.
and kahit saan, like whether you're in the US, in, Middle East or here in
Indonesia.
the UK or in the
Yeah.
Europe.
Mhm.
I know like if you're overseas Filipino worker, you really work hard for you to be able to change yung status mo sa buhay, for
Yeah.
you to be able to not to look back sa
Mhm.
sitwasyon mo. Kaya ka nga nag-abroad is for you to be able to break the chain, 'di
Yes.
ba? So sana ma-realize 'yan ng mga tao sa Pilipinas, especially kung yung mga anak na nasa Pilipinas, yung magulang nila yung
Yeah.
first generation na
Yeah.
nag-abroad.
Yeah.
Sana they have ano, matutunan nila na i-treasure yung hirap at pagod, yung mga sakripisyo ng magulang nila
Yeah.
and gawin nila yung motivation for them to study hard, finish
Yeah.
the um, um, their school
Mhm.
and then mag-ano sila, magtulong-tulong
Right.
for them to be able, it's either migrate to the
Mhm.
country where their
Yeah,
parents are,
yeah.
or
'Wag na
maiuwi
nila
nila
yes,
yung magulang
magulang.
nila
'Wag
sa
na
Pilipinas.
nilang pag-abroden.
Yes, and spend like their time as a family. Ang
Yeah,
sarap nun, 'di
yeah.
ba? And sa mga magulang naman na nasa Pilipinas na
Mm.
may anak sa ibang bansa
Right.
na nagpapakapagod para suportahan sa pag-aaral yung kapatid nila, para
Yes.
suportahan yung magulang nila sa pagpapagamot
Yeah, oh,
or
yes.
sa
Maintenance nila,
maintenance. I
check-up.
think it's important as well dun sa mga kapatid na pinag-aaral to treasure
Yes.
that um
Hard
that
work.
hard work nung taong sumusuporta sa kanila,
Yeah.
and make it as a motivation na
Hmm.
kung kaya ni kuya, kung
Yes.
kaya ni ate, kaya ko rin maging
Uy,
successful
totoo
sa
yun.
buhay.
Mm.
And ano, maging inspirasyon sila kung sino
Yeah.
yung breadwinner
Mhm.
sa pamilya. Sila yung gawin nating inspirasyon
Yes.
para makaangat din tayo sa laylayan. Kasi
Mhm.
yung buhay na meron tayo ngayon, kung pinanganak tayong mahirap, hindi natin kasalanan. Pero kung mamamatay tayong mahirap, kasalanan natin yun kasi wala
Oo.
tayong ginawa.
Yes.
So, kung mabigyan ka ng oportunidad na baguhin yung buhay mo, baguhin mo. Huwag
Yes.
mong sayangin yung oportunidad na yon.
Yes.
So, yun yung lagi kong iniisip
Mhm.
na kung anong buhay na meron tayo ngayon, this is the product of our decisions in the past.
Yes.
So kung umaayos yung buhay mo, it's because you work hard for it.
Right.
You know, so it's not your fault na maganda yung buhay mo at yung ibang tao is hindi.
Mhm.
Kasi pinagpaguran mo yan. You work hard for it. Like,
That's true.
nandiyan ka sa posisyon mo ngayon because tinrabaho mo yan. Hindi mo kasalanan na may mga taong naiwan sa
Yes.
posisyon na yon.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung desisyon nila sa
Yes.
buhay, and you
Hindi
can't
sila
blame them.
kumilos. Mm.
Exactly. You can't blame them as well. But hindi ko sinasabi na kasalanan nila kung bakit hindi sila umangat sa
Mhm.
buhay. Pero kung walang nangyari sa'yo at alam mo naman na may kakayahan ka na baguhin yung buhay mo at
Yeah.
wala kang ginawa,
Mhm.
then it's your fault.
Mhm.
You know? Kasi you did not grab or you did not take the chance,
Yes.
you know, for you to be able na baguhin yung buhay
To
mo.
make your life better.
Exactly.
Yes. And naniniwala ako, OJ, that everyone has a door of opportunity.
Yeah.
Magna-knock yung opportunity sa life nyo once, twice. And i-grab nyo yun. Don't be afraid. If you are, if you want your life to be better, you have to take risk.
Hmm.
'Di ba? And sabi mo nga, yung mga nandun lang sa comfort zone nila, hindi sila mag-grow. So tayo, kaya tayo nandito ngayon, kaya natin na-experience yung winter season
Mm-mm.
because we took risk.
Yeah.
Hindi tayo natakot na mag-apply. Hindi tayo natakot na mabuhay mag-isa. Because we know that, this is for the better.
Yeah.
And we want our lives to be better. And we know that our vision is clear for success. And I know that God will guide us always. You know, kung if wala naman tayong masamang motive sa life natin at sa kapwa natin, I believe that blessing is always there. So that's my takeaway, sasabihin, ano tawag dito, yung lesson lang na share ko sa kanila, not to be afraid.
Yeah.
If you think that you're stuck somewhere in your life, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
Yes? So, kunwari nasa 20s ka, hindi ka pa rin successful, just go on, just continue.
Yeah.
It's not the end of the world. There's always an opportunity for you to change
Yeah.
and make your life better. Mag-aral ka ulit, mag-take ka ulit ng exam. Kasi yung iba, isang pagsubok pa lang, and
Give up
then
na.
nagi-give up na sila.
Mm-mm.
And they think na yun na yun para sa kanila. Yun na yung destiny nila.
Yeah.
It's not yet your destiny. Diba? Life is a journey.
Yeah.
And you think, guys, na kami hindi pa tapos na yung pagsubok namin dito? No.
Yeah.
We always encounter struggles. We always,
Every day
every
is a
day.
struggle, but it's your choice kung ano yung gagawin mo. Will
Mhm.
you just, hahayaan mo lang ba na yung struggle yung mag-overcome sa'yo or ikaw yung
Overcome
mag-o-overcome
sa
sa struggle,
struggle. That's good.
'di
That's
ba?
true. So, lahat tayo guys, pantay-pantay. We always struggle every
We
day.
always pantay-pantay tayo, lahat
Mm.
tayo may 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
And it's up to us kung paano natin gagamitin yung
Yes.
24 hours a day na ibinigay sa atin.
Yes.
You can use it for good,
Yeah.
for better, or
Mhm.
you can waste it.
Yeah. Or
It's
just
up to
do
you.
nothing.
It's your decision,
Mhm.
you know? So maraming tao na napaglipasan na ng panahon and then
Mhm.
they will have regrets that,
Yes.
oh, when I was younger, I should have done this, I should have
Yes.
done that.
Mm.
And then, well, you're at that age now
Mhm.
na kung na-realize mo yan, you can still do something kasi you're still alive,
Yes.
you know? You can still use that 24 hours of your life
Yeah.
to change your life.
Yes.
So don't just live in regret,
Yes.
you know?
That's the worst feeling,
Yeah.
guys. Feeling of resentment, feeling of regret na sana ginawa ko 'to, na
Yeah.
sana ginawa ko 'to.
Yeah.
So, ngayon pa lang kapag may chance, gawin mo na. If you think 'di ba meron ngang mga nagpo-post na at the age of 50,
Yeah.
'di
Yung,
ba?
like for example, si KFC, di ba?
Oh, yes.
Anong age siya? 75? Oh, I
Don't
don't know,
know,
but
yeah.
he's old.
Yeah.
But he's still, hindi siya huminto
Yeah,
doon to pursue his dream.
he started his business at the
Yeah.
age of 60s,
Mhm.
ganyan. Or even yung founder ng Adidas,
Yeah.
he started the business, nasa 40s na siya.
Yeah.
So, kami, I'm in my 40s, well, about to be,
I'm in
siya,
my 30s.
yeah, he's in his 30s, and we're still, and then, hindi pa namin sorted yung life namin. Even nga yung mga tao before us, hindi pa nila yung sorted.
Yeah.
Hindi pa sorted yung life nila.
Exactly. So if you're in your 20s and you
Mhm.
think you're struggling,
Mhm.
I think use that opportunity for you be able to reflect
Yes.
what you really want in life and
Yes.
how you will go through that. I know it's easier said than done. I've
That's
been there.
true. Yeah.
I've been there. I always like when I was young, oh, at the age of 25, I'll have this, I'll have that. And now I'm in my 30s, I still don't have that thing that I
Mm.
thought I will have
Yes.
when I ano, kapag dumating ako sa ganong age.
Mm.
So, yeah, I think the challenge here is that don't stop.
Yes.
Kung feeling mo nasa wilderness ka,
Mm.
don't stop there, you know,
Yes.
because there's always a way out. Kung
Yes.
ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, there's always a way out.
Right.
So the only thing that you need to do is take action, take
Mhm.
a risk, make a move.
Make a move.
Don't stay there. If you don't like where you are at, don't stay there. Make a
Yes.
move.
Get out from it. Get
Yeah.
out of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's it. Dami nating
Grabe,
na-cover.
no? Pero ang pinag-uusapan natin is Christmas. Pero
Yes.
kasi it's all relates there, you know?
Yeah.
At the end of the day,
Maraming bagay na hindi lang nga sa material na bagay kasi ng
iikot.
Christmas. Oo,
Correct.
hindi lang. It's all about self-reflection. It's all about gratitude, and it's all about family,
Mhm.
and it's all about appreciation.
Appreciation.
Guys, think about these things. Tignan niyo yung family niyo. Hug them. Be grateful to them. Or
Mhm.
just say, I love you.
Mhm.
And just say thank you sa mga
Yeah.
nagawa nila, sa sacrifices
Kung
nila.
hindi nyo naman kapiling yung family nyo at the moment, just send them a message, tell them how you appreciate them,
Yes.
and use this time, use this season to reflect sa mga magagandang nangyari sa buhay mo, sa mga naging struggle mo, sa mga natutunan mo, sa mga pagkakamali mo.
Yes.
Use this moment to reflect
Yeah.
and how can you be a better person in the next season of your life.
Amazing. Before we end this episode, OJ.
At least we will end it last time. Namatay lang.
That's true. O, di ba we learn? Ngayon
Yeah.
nakasaksak na
Saksak na.
siya. So before we end this episode, OJ, there's two things that I would like to share to them. Number one is that your past mistakes don't
Doesn't define you.
define you. Okay? So if you have, mistakes done before, you have chances to make up for it.
Yes,
Yeah.
agree.
And hindi nga tayo na-define doon. So, be kind to yourself, reflect, forgive yourself, and come out better. Number two is you have to heal from your past wounds. Yeah. So, ang hirap mabuhay na lagi kang regretful, meron kang galit, may negative feelings ka towards your family, your sisters and brothers, your parents, 'di ba? Parang it's fake naman to experience Christmas
Mm.
na meron kang unforgiveness, meron kang resentment sa puso. So, ngayon, it's time to build, rebuild, heal, and learn.
That's
That's
really
it.
good, Nesh. For me naman, ang takeaway ko sa usapan natin is choose your battle.
Mhm.
Kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. Because, yun nga, hindi lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo ay dapat mong paglabanan. Dapat pinipili mo lang, parang dapat you're not barking in every tree. Sabi nga, anong yung ganong
You don't need to bark at
Ah,
every tree.
na
Yeah.
na dinadaanan mo
Yeah.
kasi you will stick there. So dapat piliin mo lang yung battle na lalabanan mo
Mhm.
and piliin mo yung boses na pakikinggan mo. It's either you
Yes.
make it or break it.
Right.
So yung kaninong boses ba yung papakinggan mo? Yung mga boses ng taong nanghuhusga sa'yo
Mhm.
na ibinababa ka
Mhm.
o yung boses na tumutulong para makaangat ka sa laylayan, yung boses na tumutulong para maiahon ka sa kinatatayuan mo. So, it's up to you. It's always up to you kung kaninong boses yung papakinggan mo.
Mhm.
Kasi at the end of the day, you have the choice.
Yes.
And yung choice na yon ang gagamitin mo for you to be able to move forward sa buhay mo or move backward.
Mhm.
Ikaw, sabi ko nga kanina, we all have 24 hours
Mhm.
and nasa sayo yon kung paano mo yun gagamitin.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing, OJ. So, thank you guys. And sa episode na to, hopefully meron kayong natutunan sa amin and nakapag-reflect kayo sa 2 hours. And after this episode, you will be able to, go to your mom, dad, sisters, brothers, and approach them. Or baka after this, kindly send a message to your kapatid na nasa ibang bansa and just say thank you to them. And let's make Christmas different by being kinder and being unselfish.
And yeah, it's the season to be nice.
Yes, it's the season to be nice and not cringy.
Nice or naughty.
Yes. Okay. So, OJ, thank you so much. And
Thank you, Michelle, for coming.
No, it's always my pleasure. And as I've said, I always love listening to you and your insights. Biglang may mga light bulb talaga every time I listen to your life experiences. And para sa mga listeners natin, if you have reflected and you think that you resonate with our stories and life experiences, just comment down below. Give us your feedback and even your show.
And how can we improve,
Yes, and even their stories, diba?
Yeah, share your stories.
We love listening to your stories. Malay nyo ma-feature namin, diba? Yun yung aming maging topic for next episode. And dahil Christmas nga,
Yay! It's a time for
giving. So, ayan.
Sa mga listener, sa mga viewer natin na nandito sa England at hindi pa nag-ILR.
Yes. So, we are going to give this book away. This is actually a book authored by our friend. Shout out to you, Kim.
Hi,
Yan.
Kim.
Ayan. So, sa lahat ng magko-comment, magla-like, subscribe, rate ng 5-star sa mga social media namin. And meron kami magustuhan na life story about the episode that we have today. We will give this book for free. Yeah, this is going to help you acing your life in the UK examination. So, yan. O, di ba parang ang
Di ba,
social natin?
bongga? Level up!
Level up na, guys. Nag-giveaway na kami.
And sa
Okay.
mga tao naman na mahilig magbasa ng books, na
Yes.
yun nga, lagi kong sinasabi na reading books will make you intelligent.
Yes.
It will change your mindset
Yes.
as well. So, eto is regalo sa akin to, and I want you to have this one as well. It called Mind Shift. So,
Yan. Mind
shift, you know?
Ayan.
So it will help us how to rewire our brain.
Yes. Oy, grabe ha. Magte-thank you sa atin si Erwin Rafael McManus niya.
Pero thank you kay Hero. Si Hero
si
sa akin
Hero.
na to.
You know, see, ganito yung mga gifts na gusto namin, guys. Diba? Books, membership, subscriptions.
Yeah.
Yes, mga ganyan. Actually, ako madami akong books na i-showcase, pero i-hold muna natin sa kanila. Yeah? For the next episodes. So, thank you, and please follow us and keep on watching our episodes. We appreciate it. Like, thank you in advance, guys.
Yeah. Kung nakarelate kayo, kung something na nag-resonate sa inyo, just feel free na i-share to sa mga tao na sa tingin nyo is kailangan siyang mapakinggan.
Yes.
You know?
This is for everyone. Globally.
Yeah.
Yes. And marami ding feedback. And i-highlight namin kayo, guys. Ayusin namin yon, i-highlight namin yung mga posts and comments.
Lalo na sa mga nag-comments and nag-appreciate nung first video namin. Ang dami na namin screenshots, right?
Yes, may resibo kami, guys.
It's overwhelming na
yes.
they are giving us comments and of course constructive criticism as well, how we can be better.
Yes.
But again, we're just sharing what we overcome and what we experience. This is based on our experience. So, kung may mga words kami na nasabi that against your belief, it's because it's us. It's not what you believe. This is what we believe.
It's not an attack.
Yeah, it's not an attack. This is what we overcome. This is what we think na nakatulong sa amin.
Yes.
So if it is like resonating your experience and you think that it's not true to you, it's not an attack to you. Kasi nga, everyone has their own way on how to deal things.
Yeah.
So what we share here in our video is the way we do things.
Right. It's based on our experience. And we're also open to, listen. Baka naman meron kayong ibang experience.
Exactly. Baka may magiging import kayo, may ma-i-share kayo na wisdom na hindi namin alam na it's actually, it could be better, you know?
May mas matutunan kami sa stories nyo.
Exactly.
Kaya actually this podcast, why it's called Encounters, because I believe that every encounter has a story.
Oh, that's really good. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yes. So encounters. I hope we encounter your story.
Exactly.
Okay.
Michelle, grabe. Thank you very much
for
this time. Again, we're just talking, and then hindi natin namamalayan na ang dami rin nating natututunan at napupulot sa isa't isa.
That's true. And I hope that you guys always stay tuned and nag-enjoy kayo, and at the same time natuto din kayo.
Yes.
Alright? So see you on our next episode on Encounters. Bye!